How to use Google Slides. First thing you need to do is go to Google Drive. And how do we do that? Waffle Drive. Then we click on New and Google Slides. Google Slides is similar to PowerPoint. So here, first thing we need to do is rename it. So we're going to rename this slideshow. I'm just going to rename this How to Create a Google Slide. All right. Now how this works is to add more slides, you add here, but there are different types of slides. So this slide is this type of title slide, but they're all different kinds of slides. You can click on any one you want. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to add a new one. But when I add the second one, you can see that it adds a notes type of format. So here, this is a title. So I'm going to title it, How to Create Google Slides. And all I did was click right on there. Click and add. And here, I can create lists. So this is the title of this slide. So what to do first? Pick a slide format. So I picked the slide format, and you can always change it here by changing the layout. Under slide, apply layout, and you can change the layout. So let's say I want to change it to this, it'll move it around. So you can see it moved it on this side. Now over here, under slides, you can change the theme. So if I click on change theme, this box will pop up on this side, and I can change the theme. So let's say I like this purple stripe on the bottom. Now you can see my title slide will look like this, and my note slides will all change. Now I can insert things onto my slides. So let's say I want to insert an image. So I went to insert image, and I can search for any image. So let's say I want to Google. Here's a picture from Google. So I'm going to click on this, the picture that I want. I can click on any of them, and I'm going to click select. And it's now added. Now to resize, all I have to do is grab the corner and move it. I can put it anywhere I want. You can insert a link, video, all different kinds of things here. And just like Google Docs, you can comment. If on the slide, if someone jumps on with you, you can chat. The chat button will appear. If you need to change things, you can go back to revision history. You can download this document as a Microsoft PowerPoint, as a PDF. Same thing as all the other programs within the Google suite. So here, you can do lots of things with your slides, including duplicate them. So if you just click on the slide and you click slide and duplicate slide, there's the second copy of it, and then we can edit. So we can also move slides around. So let's say I want this slide to come down. See, I just moved it out of order. So you can move around your slide. You can change the format, but you have to highlight what you want to format first, and then go to format, and then these all light up. We changed the order just by moving things like that. So that was an option here. So it just depends on what you're clicking on, though, what lights up. You can still research in here just like on Google Docs. You can insert a table just by clicking on how many boxes you want in your table, clicking on it, and it'll appear. And then just like Google Docs, you can share it. You can share through a link. You can share, edit, or comment, depending on what you want, or you can share by sending it directly to an email, and you can change comment or view on this side as well. So all the same options is in Google Docs, and the best way to play with this or to learn how to use it is to just click on things. So you have your bar here that contains many of the things that are within these buttons are right here above. The other thing not to forget is that down here, you can add notes. So let's say I want to add notes here. I can type notes about this slide down here. And then when I present, there's many ways that I can present. So I just clicked escape to get out of there, but I can present from the beginning. I can present with speaker notes, and I can present in a new window. So let's say if I present with speaker notes, you can see that when I present, the audience will see this screen, and only I will be able to see this screen. The benefit of this is I can see the notes for this screen while I'm talking, and it gives me a timer to tell me how long I've been talking on this slide. So that's helpful when you're in the middle of a slideshow. That's basically your Google Slides.